Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to look into styling links. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to understand this topic. So we are into the Visual Studio Code and we are going to look into an example to style the links. But prior to that, as usual, we will see the output without applying CSS and then we will write the CSS so that we can understand the effect of CSS. So let's run this HTML. So how you will run it? Select this one, this HTML file, click F1 and then choose the first option and it will give you option in browser, open in browser option. Now click on open in browser. So as usual, we are having the same HTML file, but this time we are going to learn about how to style this hyperlink. Currently there is no style applied, so it is taking the default browser style. Now what we will do, we will write some CSS while hovering over on this read more option, so it will change the background color as well as it will give some effect, and we will also remove this underline text decoration. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to perform this exercise. Now we are going to write the code for anchor tag. So we will use the selector anchor a tag, and here we will tell that text decoration we want to remove the underline, and we will tell that none, so that it will remove the underline. Now let's apply some effect. So what we want that whenever anybody can hover, so it will increase the text weight. So we will tell that font weight I want bold whenever anybody will hover, and want that color will turn to white and background color should turn to maroon. So this is the simple thing we want to do. Save it. Now let's jump into the browser to see this in action. So here you will find that there is no effect, but the moment you hover on it, then you will find that it is changing the color to white and also applying the background color, and it is happening for all the anchor tag. In the first block hover, then you will find this in the second block as well, and in the third block as well. So this way you can easily style your links for your web pages. I hope you enjoyed this short topic. So this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.